The AI apocalypse already happened. No robots took over, no jobs got nuked yet. And you? You're already a victim. You just don't know it yet. So, let's start from the beginning. By the end, you'll see exactly how you got caught in it and how to escape. It starts with brain rot. You already know brain rot. 15-second videos, goldfish attention span, scrolling till your brain feels like soup. That got so real, brain rot became an actual dictionary word of the year. But that's just level 1. Level 2 is way sneakier. It's using AI to think for you and calling it productivity. Here's the proof. MIT did a study. People wrote essays 3 ways: brain only, search engine, or chatbot. The chatbot group had the lowest brain activity on a literal brain scan. And after writing their own essay, most of them couldn't even quote it back. Their brain clocked out and let the AI cover the shift. That's not a typo. That's your brain right now, if you're not careful. So your brain checks out. What happens next? You stop creating and you start prompting. And prompt, copy, post isn't creating, that's intoning. Your boss is a tool that's never had one original thought in its life. It just remixes stuff humans already said. This is exactly why the rot from before turns into a bigger problem. You sit there wondering why nobody's watching. Why no comments, no fans, no support? Bro, people can smell it. Nobody's logging on for AI-flavoured ideas. They've got a chatbot at home too. So, should you just quit AI completely? Tempting, right? If AI is what's rotting your brain, just delete it. Except, nope, that's the trap. Quitting AI completely is just as fatal as overusing it. That's like refusing to learn Excel in 2006 because real accountants use paper. Meanwhile, self-taught teens are quietly winning their own rat race right now. Learning skills off YouTube and TikTok, stacking real money before they even graduate. They're not winning by avoiding AI. They're winning because they know the line between a tool and a crutch. So the real question isn't AI or no AI. It's where exactly is that line? Here's where that line actually is. This is the fix for everything we just talked about. The rot, the intern problem, all of it. One rule. Your brain does the thinking, the creative stuff. AI does the boring stuff. You bring the idea, the script, the opinion, the angle nobody else thought of. That's the human part. The part that needs an actual brain that's lived an actual life. AI can't fake that part. AI gets the editing, the formatting, the cleanup, the color grading, the time-eating tasks that don't need you specifically, just your supervision. That's it. So stop asking AI for video ideas and scripts. That's exactly where your originality lives. And the second you hand that over, you go right back to being the intern from before. This video on YouTube explains this whole framework through an example of a woman. To understand the secret to success, go and watch it after this video. Give AI the boring technical labor instead, and watch the rot stop spreading. And if you're thinking, AI can't really edit that well yet, be honest with yourself. Is that actually true in 2026? Editing tools, auto-cut software, AI color correction have been improving stupid fast. Why this actually works, and not just sounds nice. Here's the part that ties this whole thing together. Psychologists studying AI found something kind of insane. Humans are getting fast at spotting AI content, almost by instinct. Every AI has its own little fingerprint, certain phrasing, a certain too smooth confidence that just feels off. And humans? We literally invented gossip for fun. We're professional pattern spotters. We just found a brand new pattern to clock, which means the internet is about to flood with AI-flavored everything. And remember the empty comment section from earlier? That's about to happen to way more creators way faster. Because there's about to be so much AI-flavored content drowning the feed. The only stuff that survives that flood is the stuff that smells unmistakably human, weird, specific, a little messy, yours. The danger isn't AI replacing your brain. The danger is letting AI become your brain. Well then, see you at the survivor's base. Smash that subscribe button before the apocalypse gets you too. Bye.